All right, continuing on with our RV series. How do you seal the top of your RV, and do you dare put holes in it? What if you drill holes in it and it leaks, or the roof turns to mush and everybody dies from parasitic infection? Well, you got a lot of other things to worry about. This stuff is what is used and recommended. It's called DiCor, and it's 551 LSW or 501 LSW. Either one will work. And it is a self-sealing, self-leveling, well, this is non-leveling and this one's self-leveling, so that's the difference in it. But it's so gooey and it seals so well, you don't need to worry about screwing some holes into your RV roof. Literally, when I installed my panels, I cleaned up the roof with alcohol and water compound. I put down VHB tape, which is 3M's really strong tape that they use to hold windows in skyscrapers. So I put down pieces of that under the feet, and then I drilled a tiny hole, put this goop in it, put the screw in, covered the whole foot with this goo, and you won't have any problems. Super strong. I came back from a trip, the wind was blowing, I swear, 50 miles an hour, and I was going 70 miles an hour. So we had 150 mile an hour gusts on top of my RV roof. No problem at all. With this sealant, I'm not worried about leaks. With the screws, I'm not worried about the panels falling off, flying off, and with the VHB tape, that's going to hold them down and be useful for years. And because I sealed the VHB tape in this sealant, one's self-leveling, one's not, but I don't think it matters too much. You can get it in white, you can get it almond, you can get it in black. It's on your RV roof, who cares, right? So, how do you drill holes in your RV? Keep it safe, keep it sealed. It's this DiCor product, and if you go to any RV place anywhere and say, my RV roof is leaking, what's that stuff I need to put on my roof? They will sell you this. You can get it on Amazon for about $3 or $4 per tube, cheaper than at your RV place, so I have a link for that down below. If you have questions, love to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom. Alright, I'm ready to drill some holes in the roof. I'm going to be using 1-inch weather-resistant roof drilling screws. They would drill themselves in, but I have a drill bit smaller. I have a drill bit smaller than the diameter of the screw, and it will help get some of the junk out of the way. So then when I fill the hole completely with glue and then glue all the way around here with this stuff, it's called DiCor Lap Sealing 51 LSW, and that is what goes on the RV roof. You can see it's all over there and all over there. The RV manufacturers buy this stuff by the gallons. All right, well, that was a success, because this stuff is self-gooping. I put a lot of it on, and now it's going to level itself out. I have it around the sides, everything. I don't have it around the back, but I'm pretty confident that it's watertight at this point.